YouTube. So today as you can see, I'm in my bathroom because I'm gonna be doing a kind of messy experiment, and it's gonna be making a volcano. So the ingredients you're gonna need for this volcano is you're gonna need vinegar and some baking soda. Yeah. And something to pour it in. I am using this old Snapple jar. Oh, no, I'm joking. Not gonna drink it. But anyways, let's get back to the video. So you just need those things right now. Anyways, so you're just gonna need this container. I already tried this thing out with my family, so they already seen this volcano experiment. So pretty much, it's an easy experiment. Everybody should know that baking soda and vinegar makes a volcano. Now I'm just going to use this paper as a funnel and just put it in there with unraveling. And then I'm going to put my baking soda in there. Now I'm going to put this in here and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back now, and I just filled this cup with baking. Yeah, I can taste the baking soda, it's weird. Anyways, I filled it up. Now what I'm going to do is, let me actually take these out. Okay. Take this off. You can now see the powderiness. And you'll now see the bubbliness. Vinegar. It smells so gross. And you can put food coloring in it. But here we go. I didn't want it to explode all over. Oh no. Look at that. It exploded. It's not even on my hand. I see it exploding. I forgot to put my paper down. I'm going to do that one more time, so I'll be right back so I can do this again. So I now have filled the jar up with baking soda. Oh, why can't I taste it? Now I'm going to put this mat down. Whatever. Actually, this way. Put this mat down. This goes on here because I think I put extra more and there's a lot in there. So let's see. You can't. Look at that. It's because science fact. It's because vinegar is it doesn't mix with baking soda. And baking soda is like the acid from soda that makes it like bubbly. So like if you drink it really fast, the soda you drink it fast, it like burns your throat kind of. And so that's pretty much why this is like you're drinking the soda very fast and it like burns your throat. So this is kind of what actually happens in your throat. To be honest, it's not kind of really a demonstration, but it is at the same time. So yeah, that's pretty much for all of this video. Please subscribe. So please subscribe to be a part of the Tamlin family. Like this video if you like this video of the volcano, or if you tried this volcano eruption and it worked for you, leave a thumbs up also. And have a great day, and bye!